Harley Davidson is an American motorcycle manufacturer that has been producing motorcycles for over a century. The company was founded in Milwaukee, Wisconsin in 1903, and since then, Harley Davidson has become a globally recognized brand. Harley Davidson has several factories around the world where they produce their iconic motorcycles. These factories are essential to the company's success and are responsible for creating some of the most well-known and respected motorcycles in the world. The Harley Davidson factory in York, Pennsylvania, is one of the company's most significant factories. This factory produces all of Harley Davidson's touring and softer models for the North American market. The York factory is also where Harley Davidson's most massive production facility is located. The factory is over 1.5 million square feet, and it employs over 2,000 people. Another significant Harley Davidson factory is located in Kansas City, Missouri. This factory produces Harley Davidson Sportster, Dina, and VRC motorcycles. The Kansas City factory is responsible for producing over 200,000 motorcycles per year and employs over 800 people. Harley Davidson also has a factory in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin, which produces engines and transmissions for Harley Davidson motorcycles. This factory is responsible for creating some of the most powerful and reliable engines in the motorcycle industry. The Menomonee Falls factory employs over 1,000 people and has been producing engines for Harley Davidson motorcycles for over 80 years. In addition to these factories, Harley Davidson also has factories in Brazil. The Brazilian factory produces motorcycles for the South American market. Harley Davidson's factories are essential to the company's success, and they are where the magic happens. Each factory is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and equipment, allowing Harley Davidson to produce some of the best motorcycles in the world. The factories are also staffed with highly skilled and experienced workers who are passionate about creating quality motorcycles. In conclusion, Harley Davidson's factories are crucial to the company's success. Each factory is responsible for producing different types of motorcycles or components for those motorcycles, and they are staffed with highly skilled workers who are passionate about what they do. Harley Davidson's factories are a testament to the company's commitment to quality and innovation, and they are the reason why Harley Davidson motorcycles are so highly regarded around the world. Today, Harley Davidson has a reputation for being a high-end brand, with a loyal following of enthusiasts who love the look and feel of their motorcycles. But how are these motorcycles actually made? Let's watch. We will take a closer look at the Harley Davidson production line. The production of a Harley Davidson motorcycle begins with the frame. Harley Davidson frames are made from a mix of steel tubing, forged steel, and cast aluminum. The frame is the foundation of the motorcycle and is what gives it its strength and rigidity. Once the frame is complete, it is sent to the paint shop, where it is sandblasted, primed, and painted. Harley Davidson motorcycles are known for their vibrant and eye-catching colors, and a paint shop is where this process begins. After the frame has been painted, it is sent to the assembly line, where it is joined by the engine, transmission, and other key components. The engine is the heart of the motorcycle, and Harley Davidson engines are known for their power, torque, and sound. The engine is assembled from a variety of parts, including the crankcase, cylinders, and cylinder heads. Once the engine is complete, it is mated to the frame, and the transmission is installed. The next step in the production process is the installation of the wheels and tires. Harley Davidson motorcycles are known for their distinctive spoked wheels, which are often chrome-plated for a shiny and durable finish. The wheels are mounted to the frame, and the tires are installed and inflated to the correct pressure. After the wheels and tires have been installed, the motorcycle is fitted with a variety of components, including the fuel tank, fenders, and handlebars. These components are installed by skilled technicians who take great care to ensure that each part is properly aligned and fitted to the motorcycle. Once the motorcycle is fully assembled, it is sent to the testing area, where it is put through a battery of tests to ensure that it is safe, reliable, and ready to ride. These tests include checks for electrical and mechanical problems, as well as a road test to ensure that the motorcycle handles properly and performs as expected. In conclusion, the production of a Harley Davidson motorcycle is a complex and intricate process that involves many skilled workers and advanced manufacturing techniques. From the frame to the engine, to the wheels and tires, and all the way to the final assembly and testing, each step in the process is carefully orchestrated to ensure that each motorcycle meets the high standards of quality and performance that Harley Davidson is known for. For those who are passionate about motorcycles and appreciate the art and craft of fine manufacturing, a Harley Davidson motorcycle is a true masterpiece. Harley Davidson motorcycles are made in several factories located in the United States and abroad. The company has a long history of manufacturing motorcycles in the United States, where it was founded, but has expanded its operations to other countries over the years. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Harley Davidson factories around the world. The main Harley Davidson factory in the United States is located in York, Pennsylvania. This factory produces all of the company's touring motorcycles, which are the larger and more powerful models designed for long-distance riding. The York factory is one of the largest motorcycle factories in the world and employs thousands of workers who are skilled in the art of motorcycle manufacturing. In addition to the York factory, Harley Davidson also has a factory in Kansas City, Missouri, which produces some of the company's touring and cruiser models. This factory is known for its advanced manufacturing techniques, including robotics and computer-controlled machinery. Outside of the United States, Harley Davidson has factories in Brazil and Thailand. These factories produce motorcycles for their respective markets and also export some of their production to other countries. The Brazilian factory, located in Manaus, produces motorcycles for the South American market. The Thai factory, located in Rayong, produces motorcycles for the Asian and Australian markets. In conclusion, Harley Davidson motorcycles are made in several factories located around the world. From the main factory in York, Pennsylvania, to the factories in Kansas City, Brazil, Thailand factory plays an important role in the production of these iconic motorcycles. Whether you are a Harley Davidson enthusiast or simply appreciate the art and craft of motorcycle manufacturing, a visit to one of these factories is sure to be an unforgettable experience.